How to watch other replays in League of Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch other players replays in League of Legends. So there are multiple ways. So let me give you detailed breakdown. Like ranked games or replay downloadable, you can find the player and go to the League of Legends client and search for the player in the top right search box. You can access match history, go to the player's profile and navigate to their match history, and you can download and play. Look for the download or play button next to the desired rank game to download and watch the replay. And for normal games, replay file is needed. So to get the replay file, the other player need to send you the replay file, a .rofl file, and then double click the .rofl file. If League of Legends is installed and properly linked, it will launch the client and start the replay. And alternative with third-party apps, some third-party apps like op.gg can also help manage and play replays and spectating friends live games. You can find friend or in friend list, open your League of Legends client and navigate to your friend list. You can right click a friend who is currently in a game and select spectate. You can replay recording. When you spectate a live game, the replay will be recorded from the point you start spectating. The high elo players using op.gg, you can use op.gg offers a way to find and watch replays to high elo players, and you can download the app. You may need to download the op.gg desktop app to watch replays through their platform. So that's how you can watch other players replays in League of Legends. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.